that kiss is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about.
Morning, everybody. So today is Sunday. I'm watching this lizard, y'all. Y'all know I don't do slithery things. I was working on adding on a kitchen area, and besides the hot heat, then we had a whole big storm yesterday. I wanted to stay in the deck and give that to y'all today, but due to a storm yesterday, now everything is completely wet back here, so I can't stain it. You have to stain when everything is completely dry, so that video is going to be pushed back. I am going to build the part of the kitchen. Well, I'm saying kitchen. It's going to be like a area that I have a new baby, a refrigerator. So I want to make sure that I have her in there. So what I am going to work on today, guys, I'm going to see. Keyword see. And my husband will take that table off. He have a whole bunch of grass stuff that's over here. I need that gone. And because I have a new sponsor, yeah, I want to go ahead. The kids, when I was in Rhode Island, the boys cut all the grass and stuff. But of course, they didn't do the other part. So I want to get that done. And it's some bushes and stuff that has been knocked down from the storm last night. Well, yesterday and last night. So I'm going to use my handy dandy chainsaw. Yeah. To go ahead and cut these things back. Also in the hedges, it is some tall, I don't know what they are, but they will stick the fire out of you. So I want to go ahead and get those out of there. So guys, I'm not sure if I need to spray myself because it is very wet out here. Also, guys, when I showed y'all the area, I told you we had a whole bunch of men over there. Y'all, I posted on Facebook Marketplace, and guess what? And so many people came and got mint. It's one other person asked if I still had some. So I looked day before yesterday, and I still had just a little bit. I want to keep just a little bit in a pot for myself, so I can do some drinks. I do have some summer drinks that I am going to be coming up, and they are mocktails. So I'm going to be, that's why I want to get this kitchen fully done so I can go ahead and show y'all how to do those drinks as mocktails. So let me go ahead and turn y'all and take y'all to the side of the house to show you our disaster. So guys, this is like what the hedges look like. And if you can tell, these long things, and they will stick you so bad. So I need to cut all of these out. The stems are real thick, so I need to cut all of those out of there and get all of this stuff in nicely trimmed, because you can see it from the road, and your girl, she want to trim. Now mind y'all, the kids, this is where the kids hoop that baby snake. I'm praying to God it is gone, because I need to get in here and do what I got to do. Trying to think, I might pull out the lawnmower just to cut in and then. It rained, I told you, really, really bad, so I don't want to mess up my lawnmower. But we have a baby pine tree I need to cut down. It's going to be used with the saw. And I have another bush back here. I don't know what happened to it, but I need to go ahead and cut that down. So let me go ahead and start getting done.
So guys, welcome to my new baby. This company sent me this over. This is a Tomyvic, and it is a mini electric chainsaw, guys. When they reached out to me, I was just like, oh, you know your girl. Love her some big girl tools. So I absolutely love this. It comes with its own little pack. And inside this pack, guys, you look at the box and say it's so small, but look at all the things. So the first thing you get is your instructions of how to care for it. Then they have some safety gloves here, and they do have the rubber grippings on the gloves. And now, y'all, I have been using this because I want to make sure, it's going to live up to the thing. So look at me. I got to take all this stuff off, but it is absolutely fantastic. This is your little oil canister, and they want to protect your eyes. So they did send some protective glasses inside this. So fantastic. Also, guys, this is your changeable chain. So you do have another one. You have a screwdriver. So when you do the chain, fabulous. Then, guys, guess what? You see this piece? This goes to help you remove that chain. Super and superb. And the next thing, guys, this is your charger for your battery pack. And it's something about this company, guys. Once I show you this, what I absolutely love about them, they know they have to be charged. Most places only give you one charger battery pack, but no, this company, guys, they give you two. Absolutely. So I did get a chance in this video to use both. One of them, I had lost power, so I had to go grab the other one, guys. And this, guys, if you don't know anything about them, I'm gonna give y'all a discount code. Look in the description, and I'm telling you, go grab it. Ladies, don't be scared of power tools. They're here for us. So, y'all, it's time to get all geared up. So, of course, the first thing I want to do is go ahead and put on my gloves. And, of course, to make sure you have good grip on your mini saw, it has grip support on there. So, they give you a pair of gloves. I love them. It's easy just to hoop them in the washing machine. Very, very easy. And then the next thing, guys, they want to protect your eyes. So, let me go ahead and shield my eyes down. And then it's the big thing. Guys, let's get ready to have some fun because it's time. So I'm going to hit the button and we're going to get busy. And guys, when I say like 1-2 hit and this was down, oh, it was down.
famous to me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a bit over darling, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, all the way, mommy. And rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me out the water, take me out the map. Tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come on, man. Rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me out the water, take me out the map. Tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come on.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. I didn't come this far just to come this far. Yeah. I saw on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why I'm here to get express my love. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the ball to see what damage I could do. I give you the ground, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Baby, I the club.
They look so darn good now. They look so good.
Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's all rap. Man, I'm tryna hit the baby. Don't hit me up in WID me, baby. Send a boy a PIC to see me, baby. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. When we talk, you gotta listen, I don't wanna go missing, I wanna be consistent, not a position, I put you in, I'ma put you in that fucked up position, I. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast, and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. But what you want?
I know we stuck like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. I hope it's fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's time for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wife.
Been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast, and you do what you want.
Guys, I forgot to even let y'all know I have new front porch furniture. It's the two tables and the couch. It brightens up the porch a lot compared to what I had up here. Also, I have one of the infamous boxes from off Amazon. Wayfair also sells them. It is that box. So I might use this in the backyard. So guys, honey, When I say your girl is drenching, I felt sweat coming down my neck. So when I say we had a bad rainstorm yesterday, I kid y'all not. I honestly kid y'all not. That is just how much. I know a pineapple plant absolutely love that water. But you almost sweat so much. This is good. I'm getting all of the out of me. Y'all, this little bad boy is the business. It's one more tree that I want to cut down back there. Oh, I see a pigeon. It's one more that I want to cut down back there because it's laying down, so I just want to go ahead and get that cut. But that pine tree, that was a baby pine that already had a lot coming to it. So you saw how easy it was for me just to cut that pine down. So I don't know what kind of bush this is, but I want to go ahead and get that cut down. So y'all come on, and then I'll show y'all the overview. And I think I'm going to call this video to a halt. So let's go. Okay guys, so I am done. So let me go ahead and give you guys a recap, okay? So see baby Sony back there. I was on Sony on 15 Pro Max now. So let me go ahead and show y'all guys the beginning, and let's see the end. Guys, this is a part that I did not film. It was poison ivy going up the house. That same piece, guys, I went through and it jugged all of that down. I'm sorry I did not video that. Didn't think about it, but I'm telling you, it worked. So, didn't show y'all the porch in the beginning. But let me just take y'all and show y'all what my porch looks like. Just remember, guys, everything is still wet. So now, that is our porch. That fell down in a storm. There it is. Let me put it up. So I'm finna ask y'all a question about this. So I got it back up. So that is my new porch stuff, and these are it. Guys, look at my pineapple. She is so big this year. Well, she's not as big as she was last year, but she is growing so good. So I got to repot her and put a stand up on that because she's leaning a little bit too much. But other than that, guys, this is it. Look, that looks so much better looking back there now. So yeah, so now let me talk to you guys about this. Should I clip all the top of these ferns? While I was in Rhode Island, it was sitting right here. So the sun comes over on this side and it was burning it. So to all of y'all fern mamas, do I clip all of this back so it does not go down? So I think waiting for y'all answer, I think I'm finna clip it. So let me grab some scissors. So guys, one day this week I will take the lawnmower and go over. It's way too wet to do that out here right now. So and then I'm gonna run the lawnmower in between there to get all of that cut down really good. But I'm so happy not to see that poison ivy all up in there. I'm highly allergic to it. As you can see, it is some still right there. I was told to use some things to get it done, but I will run over this with the lawnmower. Let me show you guys just how much water. This is just how much water is in our yard. Look. Yeah. So that's why all your bed mosquitoes so bad. So yeah, I'd be glad this week I can run the lawnmower in there, clean that out really, really good, and that will be done. Okay, guys, until the next round, we'll get ready to close this up. Thank you for my sponsor for sponsoring this portion of my video. And guys, today is a wrap. Don't forget, the link will be down below.